kakatapos ko ng maligo, no? And this is morning routine version 2, no? Or part 2. And mamaya yan, may papakita ako sa inyo kung ano ang gagawin for my, um, for my dressing, no? Pero parang hindi ko na gagawin, hindi ko na ipapakita kasi baka ma-demonetize tayo. So, what I'm gonna do is, you already know what it is. Nakapagligo na ako, parang routine na siya, no? And then after nung pagligo ko is, we do the dressing for my wound, no? And yun. So, ang susunod naman natin gagawin will be siguro, I'm gonna get you back when magla-lunch na, no? Lunch na lang, para you'll see the entire day or entire Sunday, no? Sa loob ng araw na to kasi it's a Sunday again. It's still May 4, no? And once again, I'm your host, your and only Shmi Boy Shimran Suarez. If you've not been watching the past couple of videos, no? Grabe talaga, I'm on a roll, no? Nasa 4 videos in a row na ako. And I'm proud of myself for doing that, no? So, I'll catch you back again later around mga lunchtime para makita nyo yung aking lunch, no? And yung aking mga other activities pa later on, no? I'm gonna show you as well my painting for video number 5, and I'm gonna show you how I paint for video number 6. Marami pa akong mga ideas, so hopefully ay maintindihan ninyo and makita ninyo ang proseso ko sa isang buong Sunday, no? So I'll see you all later. Bye for now. I'll be back in a bit. So, hey, what's up you guys? Just received my citrine, no? It's I don't know, it's a crystal. No? So, received it, no? I loved it kasi it's not really, it's hanggang dito siya sa neck ko, dito, no? It's not really like yung sa sa Saint Benedict na masyadong dito talaga parang hindi siya makikita kasi nandito yung pendant. So yeah, ayun, no, today was actually very good, no. It's I might have my lunch earlier, no. So maghintay tayo, baka papunta na dito yung mother ko, she's preparing for lunch, no? So, yeah, we'll see what we can do. Medyo brown pa yung buhok ko, no? Nakikita ko dito ngayon, medyo brown siya, eh. Lumilitaw yung pagiging brown ng buhok ko. Yeah, but anyway, yun lang naman for today, no? I'll see you all in a bit sa lunch. Bye! Na po ang ating lunch. Ayan na po ang ating lunch. Ayan po, that is the end of our routine, no? Afternoon routine. It will be after this video. So, sana ay makita ninyo. It's a Sunday. It's a full Sunday for you guys to enjoy. So, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. By the way, I'm Shimran Suarez. Don't forget that, okay? Bye.